Okay guys, welcome back. Ngayon ang papakita ko sa inyo is the difference na nangyari sa Meralco bill ko from March to May. So I have two bills here to show you. This is my bill from March to April. Pakitingnan hong mabuti kung parehas yung address dun sa susunod kong bill na papakita. Okay? Okay, this is total kilowatt hour is 211. Total amount or total current amount is 2,040.95. Then my next bill, the current bill, ito po ulit yung address. Okay? Then, total kilowatt hour now, or from my current bill, is 117. And from 2,000, naging 1,006 pesos and 65 cents. Okay? So, ganun po yung nangyari sa akin. Now, I will show you, okay, the ammeter is at 0 kasi ho, walang nakasaksa. Okay? The meter is not running. Sasaksak ko ngayon yung ref. Okay? Let us see. Yan po. 0.7 ammeter ang reading. Yung gumagana yung ref. Tingnan natin to. May ikot po ba? Yeah. May ikot po siya. Okay? So, isasaksak ko na ho ngayon yung energy saver. Okay? Tingnan ho natin. Naging 0.5. So, may 0.2 na nawala. So, that is around 20% savings. Okay, guys? For any question, kindly feel free to call me. Okay, guys? Thank you very much.